What is up, people? Today's gonna be a quick one. We're making butter noodles. It's super easy. No prep work. This is gonna be super quick. It only requires 3 ingredients. Look at that. Beautiful. Also very simple and very tasty. So without further ado, let's start. Right. Let's fill the pot with water. Turn the heat on high. Add in a bunch of salt. Cover with the lid. And now let's wait for it to boil. The pot speaks to me. It's ready. Okay. Oh shit. It's boiling, alright. Lower the heat a bit and pour in your pasta. Oh, I'm not gonna tell you how much pasta to add. I'd say like about this much is for 1 person. I'm gonna add this much. This is gonna be for like 2 people. Just plonk it in, get your tongs, and start bending.
Water. Earth.
Spaghetti.
They're not gonna break, don't worry. Come on. You know what's gonna happen. So just accept your faith. Go, 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 go. There we go. All of them in. Now it's simple. Just wait a few minutes until the pasta is done. Read the packaging. For me, it's gonna be... I don't have the packaging, but it's gonna be like 9 minutes. 8 to 9 minutes, I think, for our spaghetti. Once done, we'll continue. Oh yeah, and leave like a wooden spoon or something on top so it doesn't spill. Like so. There we go.
A few moments later.
It's time. Pasta's done. Haven't even touched it, and it's perfect. Look at that. Now, kill off the hot damn heat and drain the damn pasta. Just don't leave any noodle snakes in the sink.
There's a snake in my
Pot. Oh yeah. Yeah, I got this. It's not hard at all. If you want, you can leave some pasta water in a cup. Oh shit. There's still a lot of it left. I did a poor job. Let's try again. I'm not gonna sing anymore. I think my singing is terrible. Oh shit, almost there. Beautifully drained pasta. Now, while it's still hot, add in the butter. I'd say add in a tablespoon of butter for around 100 grams of pasta. Then some salt and some freshly ground, if you have, pepper. Like half a teaspoon of both. Now, mix. If it's too watery, you can turn on the heat on low just for a little bit. And mix until all the butter is dissolved. And that's gonna be it. And trust me, it's gonna taste insane. But I'll show you a second way of how to improve this pasta. The recipe requires for Parmesan cheese also, but I like eating it plain like this. Look at this. Look at these butter noodles. So sexy, so tasty. Look at that. Wow. Oh shit, turn off the heat. Yeah, the butter is melted already. Let's give it a bite. Okay, needs a bit more salt. And that's how I would eat it. But if you want the real deal, you can add Parmigiano Reggiano, which is like in the original recipe, I think. It's 3 ingredients. That's how easy it is. Okay, let's go to the tabletop and let's serve with parm. Or you can add parm in the pot. Let's do that. Grater. Pasta is still warm. Grate the cheese. I don't know how much you like it. I don't think like cooking food is about measuring exact proportions. At first, yeah, it is. But later, it's about taste. Do it how you prefer. If you like a lot of cheese, add in a lot of fucking cheese. If you don't like a lot of cheese, just add in a little bit of cheese or no cheese at all. Like I like it with no cheese.
On the same page. What's the point of even being alive if we can't do this? Right.
Mix, and it's time to serve. Get our big bowl, then a good lump of our pasta, and finish off with more parm. Ain't that so simple and so beautiful? There we go. I'm glad you trusted me when I said this is gonna be quick. So without further ado, let's dig in. I need a fork. Okay, it's tasting time. I sounded like a Power Ranger.
Alright then, it's morphin' time! Dragon Sword! Mastodon!
Michael Jordan.
Anyway, let's get everything. Oh, there's not much things in these noodles, so just cheese. Finish. If you use freshly ground black pepper, it's great. Since I don't have that, it tastes pretty good. Like, I don't like it with cheese, but yeah, I'd say if we compare simplicity and taste, this is like the golden ratio of that, because it's super simple, super cheap. That's the second thing. And third, very tasty. Well, tasty. So, yeah. If you got no money at home or no ingredients, go make some pasta, brother. See you next week. Like and subscribe, please. Thank you. Bye.